So here I will explain the underpopulation. Overpopulation now finished. Now underpopulation. Underpopulation. So what is underpopulation? When the population population is less, resources are more. Right? Totally opposite condition from the overpopulation. So, in the case of our underpopulation, the population will be more and the resources will be less. So, in that condition, what problem will be there? Now, suppose if in your house or in your residence, suppose the resources are more means suppose you have 50 kilos of rice, right? 50 kilos of rice and only two members are there, only two members, right? So what problem will be there? That 50 kilos of rice, it will take a longer time to finish, right? It will take a longer time to finish. Now if the proper preservation process will not be there, if the proper preservation process will not be there, that time maximum amount of the rice will damage, right? Now in the case of underpopulation also same condition. So here you can see that in a country or in the case of state, if the population will be less and the resources will be more, so the number of population, since the number of population is less, thus you will not get the proper number of laborers. So you can't use that reserved resource in a sufficient quantity. So due to lack of utilization of the available resource, the development of those areas, right, the development of those areas, it will suffer. Okay, it will suffer. So we have to take care about these all things also. If the population of an area is less, that time we can export the reserved resource to some other countries where the resources are less, right? If we will export that all excess resources from those areas, that time we can create a balance between the development of developed countries and the developing countries, right? So this type of situation, the underpopulation situation, you can see in some developed countries, right? In some developed countries as well as in those countries or in those areas where the climatic condition is very harshful, where the dense vegetation means the forest areas are there. So over there the population will be less. Even you can see in the polar belts. In the polar belts, I can explain the Antarctica. Antarctica no population, but the reserve resources are there. Hence, that all resources we are not able to use or utilize in a proper quantity, right? So it can influence the country's development. It can influence the country's betterment as we are not able to use them in a proper quantity. Now the consequences of the underpopulation. So in those conditions, you will get 4 5 different type of consequences. First consequences I already explained. The first result that the country's development will suffer as they will not get the proper number of laborers to do the work, and they are not able to use the reserved resource in a proper quantity. Secondly, in the case of underpopulation, the natural resources, basically the natural resources whatever will be there in that particular area or place, sometimes they will damage. As I already mentioned in the example, that if 50 kilo rice is there and member only two, so the utilization will not be there. So in that case, maximum amount of rice may they will damage, right? So that type of problem must be there if the population will be less. Third, now due to decrease the rates of population, right, there is an increase in the social and economical pressure on the youth who have to expand the per capita output in order to support the economy. That means last I told that if the products or resources are more in an area but the population is less, so we can export that all products in some other areas where the products or the resources are less. So in that condition, some persons they can involve themselves to export that all products, maybe in a legal way or sometimes maybe in an illegal way, right? Next, the declining populations could create labor shortage. As I already mentioned earlier, that we will not get the sufficient number of laborers to utilize that available resource in an area if the area is under the underpopulation. Next video, I will explain about the population composition.